Right now, there is something you are supposed to be doing, and instead, you're watching this. Perfect. Because I need exactly 2 minutes to fix your procrastination. Not with motivation, not with a morning routine, with a switch in your head you don't know exists. First, the truth. Procrastination is not laziness. It is not bad time management. Scientists who study it agree on one thing. Procrastination is an emotion problem. Here's what actually happens. You look at the task, and your brain tags it like a threat. Too big, too boring, might fail. That tag fires the oldest program you own. Get away from the bad feeling. So your brain reaches for the nearest exit. The phone, the fridge, the tab you close when someone walks in. You know your exits, and the second you escape, the bad feeling drops. Relief feels great, but your brain just learned something dangerous. Escaping works. Every single time you run, the loop gets stronger. That's why you can't discipline your way out of this. You are not fighting a habit. You are fighting a painkiller. Now, here's the switch. Your brain doesn't actually hate the task. It hates the start of the task. Researchers found that the resistance collapses almost completely within minutes of beginning. All that dread you feel, it lives in the moment before. Call it the cold start. The task was never the wall. Starting is the wall, and the wall is paper thin. So here's the fix, and it is almost insultingly simple. You are not allowed to do the task. You are only allowed to start it. For 2 minutes, open the file. Write one ugly sentence. Put on the shoes. After 2 minutes, you are free to quit. Your brain accepts that deal because 2 minutes is not a threat, and then something strange happens. Once a task is open, your brain hates leaving it open. Psychologists call it the Zeigarnik effect. An unfinished task nags the mind until it is closed. The same brain that fought the start now pulls you forward. Motivation does not create action. Action creates motivation. You have had it backwards your whole life. So here's your diagnosis. You are not lazy. You never were. You have a brain that protects you from discomfort so well it is quietly wrecking your plans. It is not broken. It is overprotective. The video is over. The thing you were avoiding is still there. Your 2 minutes start now.